Hey guys, in this video I want to tell you about the fist letters. So these are important because it helps you whenever you are looking at a fingerspelled word to be able to catch the word based on the shape, or at least to make educated guesses on things that you missed. So if you see a word that has maybe like an up letter and then you see a couple of fist letters and then a down letter, it helps you be able to fill in kind of the gaps on those. So I'll eventually do an example video of that, but for this one I just want to teach you the fist letters. So the fist letters, the best way to remember them are main toes. So all of these kind of have that fist hand shape. So they're very like small and together. So M, and then this is also a good time to check your letters. M, A, I, N, T, O, E, or E can be that way, just not behind like an S, E, S, okay? So all of these are the fist letters, M-A-I-N-T-O-E-S. Memorize those. Bye.